we have some blessing from the church. This is from Miss Paula, some oranges. And this is from Jennifer. So we have bread. Looks like monay. But this is the Hawaiian rolls here in West Virginia. This looks like monay. Even the cheese. He gave me some cheese. Yeah. Whoa, different kind of cheeses. And pork. She said this is pork, cold pork. So I'm going to prepare like a sandwich because I have some lettuce here. Do you want a lettuce, love, for your sandwich? He answered yes. I'm excited but a bit nervous too because everybody knows already at church that I'm pregnant, and yeah, they are congratulating me and Wade already. So hopefully and praying my baby will be okay. Who's this guy? I don't know him. I have to prepare food. I'm hungry now.
Okay, can I help you?
Will not give food for my husband.
Okay,
That's the
maybe next year.
will make him hungry. You message first to Jennifer. Say thank you.
Oh, yeah. Did Miss Paula give us some too, or is that just Jennifer?
What?
Did Miss Paula give us something?
Yeah, the orange.
Oh, I'll say next to her too.
Oh, this looks so yummy. Oh. Oh, looks like this is yummy with rice. Okay.
What did she give you, Miss Paula?
Orange.
Oh,
So, thank you for...
thank you for the oranges. Thanks for the oranges. It was nice. Her mother said she'd praying for us.
Yeah.
That's sweet. You okay? How are you doing?
How is everybody?
We're good. We're doing okay. We just got back for church and everything.
Well, oh, did you have any snow today?
Yeah, it snowed this afternoon.
Uh-oh.
Not a lot. I mean, it came down pretty heavy, but it wasn't collecting much really. It's all melted now. I think.
Oh, did you have any trouble coming home?
No. It's just cold.
Cold.
Yeah.
They said up at Gale's supposed to get like 5 to 8 inches.
Yeah, I heard Northeast is going to be pretty bad.
And New Jersey or New York might get 2 feet.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard along the coast it was pretty a lot worse.
Did y'all get to go out yesterday?
Yeah, we went to Athens, Ohio.
Okay, I thought so.
Yeah, it was good. We had a good day and everything.
Who went with you?
Me, Daisy, and Richie, Dustin, and then David Crandall,
Okay.
the young guy.
Oh.
But it was good. Yeah, we had a good day out there. We had Mexican. We went to Tim Hortons for breakfast.
Oh, gosh,
Yeah.
Dad would have loved that.
And then we had Mexican afterwards.
Now, where's Tim Hortons?
It's in the Athens, Ohio area.
Oh,
It's almost like a Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh, wow, how
So,
nice.
yeah, that was nice.
Well, I'm glad. And was the weather okay? It wasn't too bad here.
Yeah, but I think tomorrow it's supposed to snow overnight into tomorrow morning.
Oh, gosh.
Me and Daisy, we might go downtown Fairmont to do some paperwork for stuff, like for insurance or something. And then, but I might go late to work Monday anyway.
Okay. Well, everybody might. You just don't know.
And then Thursday we're supposed to go to Pittsburgh for her green card interview.
Oh, Thursday.
Yeah. So I took off all Thursday to do it.
Oh, the road weather should be better by then.
Yeah, I think. Oh, hopefully, yeah.
I think it's more like near Philadelphia where it's going to be a lot.
Yeah, it's probably a lot worse than Philadelphia, really.
Near
Yeah.
Philadelphia.
We might get like a 1 to 3 inches,
Okay, yeah.
maybe.
Well, good. How's Daisy?
She's good. Yeah, she's doing good. We're excited. Like some of the people gave us. I think Jennifer gave us food
Yeah.
at church and everything.
Oh,
So that was nice.
Wade, I've been good. I haven't told anybody. I've been good. I'm about to die.
I think I made an appointment. I was trying to figure out which hospital we're going to. So I think March 10th.
Okay.
We're supposed to have like her first appointment.
Okay.
So so that should that should be the one we're going to.
Okay. Is that where I don't know where Jennifer goes.
I think Jennifer recommended Mon General Hospital.
Okay.
But there's a place in Fairmont that's connected to that. So I think we can use that.
Yeah, for the checkup. Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Oh, she also had a good advice to use the WIC WIC.
Yes.
You can sign up for that and get a bunch of free stuff.
Yeah, Gail did. Remember?
Yeah, so that we might do that too.
She got milk.
Yeah.
She got cereal, milk, cheese.
Because Jennifer's always giving us all this free milk.
Oh, well, that's wonderful.
That she gets. Yeah.
Oh.
So that was nice.
Well, that is so good.
Yeah.
That's not long. That's not far from now, is it? March 10th.
No, like 2 weeks basically.
We just had a few flurries down here, is all.
Oh yeah, it's probably not as bad in Virginia, is it?
So you're going to go Thursday to
Thursday to Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh.
And I think it's like 8 o'clock in the morning.
Oh,
It shouldn't be very long, I don't think.
It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be.
So hopefully all goes well and it's like a short day.
Oh yeah, and Alden said he wished he could have been there eating.
Yeah, the food's delicious.
Oh, it is. I can tell. Oh my God. We had chili tonight.
Oh, that's good. That's a good day for it. Yeah.
We had chili. And what kind of, I think tomorrow night we're just going to have sub sandwiches or something.
She got to have tilapia fish at the Mexican restaurant.
Oh, I love tilapia.
Yeah.
That is the fish. I can eat tilapia.
But I think Jennifer said that it's hard to find the full face tilapia anywhere.
Here we go. Without the face. Hey, I'll have the tilapia. Jennifer can have the face.
They said they like to see it looking at him when they eat it.
Oh my God. Richie don't like it.
No, he would never do it.
They didn't like.
Oh my
They
God.
were joking about me because I had balut when I was over there in the Philippines because they're asking if I liked it or not.
Tell me what that is.
It's like a partially developed duck egg.
No, stop. You're braver than Richie.
It's just like a hard boiled egg. That's all it was, really.
No, thank you. Stop.
With a chick.
With the chick.
With a chick.
No. You know what I would like?
What?
I would like that parfait that Daisy made. That look. Oh, I know what else I would like.
Yeah.
That mango salsa.
Oh, it was good. Yeah, it was really good.
I want some of that mango salsa. That sounds so good.
That salmon she made was like the best salmon I ever had. It was delicious.
You know what? Because Dad always wanted that old mashed up salmon.
Yeah, salmon cakes.
I like a whole piece of salmon. Now, I love that.
She put butter and garlic on it, I think. Yeah,
That's good.
that was delicious.
Oh, you know that was.
And then even a little bit of lime, like squirted lime on it.
Yeah, squirt.
Yeah.
All he said he wished he could have been there.
Ooh. Thank you, love. Why the salt is doing like that, love?
What? The noise?
No, I mean, looks like it's sprinkling upward.
Oh, it's just snow on the hood, probably. It's blowing off. Because there's snow on the roof, snow on the hood. I didn't clear off. It's just brushing up.
Oh, I miss the snow. It's Monday and it's 7:48 a.m. already. We're too early. Anyway, where are we, love?
We're at the DHHR to apply for insurance downtown.
Okay.
So we're just waiting to go in. We're in the parking garage. We'll get free parking, but we got to get them to validate it, so I can't leave. And so we'll just wait till about right before 8:30 to go in, and it should take about an hour or so
Yeah.
to apply.
Why we're doing it, love?
Just save money, and because we're expecting a baby.
Yeah, so one of our church mates, she's actually she was our bridesmaids. No, maid of honor on our wedding, and she shared this information that we can do it
Mhm.
so that we can save money.
Yeah.
So we need to grab this opportunity. So what will happen if, for example, I will be qualified, love, with this healthcare insurance?
You pretty much don't pay anything for the pregnancy,
Mhm.
and then you also get free tests and things along the way, and even 1 year after child's born, you still have the insurance to help out with things.
Yeah, with the checkup with the doctors.
Mhm.
And what else, love? Check up with the doctors. How about the bills? How, like the hospital bills when I will give birth?
Yeah, so instead
That's
of
included, love?
yeah.
That will be
you may
free?
pay, I don't know if it's 100% free, but it should be very, very cheap,
Okay.
if anything. But it should be free, I think.
That's good. Oh, okay. I will ask that to Jennifer.
But even just your own health, like if you were sick yourself, like you're under that, so it covers that too. Like you broke a leg or something.
But this insurance, love, I can use only when I'm pregnant or
No,
what?
anytime.
Anytime. So starting today, if I will be qualified,
Mhm.
that would be my
Yeah, your
health insurance
personal,
already.
yeah, your personal health insurance.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can also use that, love, in my interview. Like we changed already my medical insurance
Yeah.
because I'm pregnant.
Yeah.
So we applied and I got qualified with Medicare,
Yeah, Medicaid.
Medicaid. So yeah, I can
Yeah.
say that once the interviewer asks me.
Medicare is more for older people, like senior citizens.
Medicare.
Medicaid's
So
just
Medicaid.
everyone else.
Medicaid.
Medicaid. Yeah.
Okay. So we're actually near
Mhm.
post office of Fairmont, West Virginia,
Yeah,
and
it's the main post office down there.
that is the building lab where we got our marriage license,
Mhm.
right?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
the downtown courthouse.
courthouse.
Yeah.
So okay, that's it, guys. We'll update you later after the interview.
They're plowing the parking lot, I think.
Yeah. So this is actually when it snowed up just last night, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's a snow again, but compared to other state, it's just 1 inch, love, I think, right?
Yeah, maybe 1 inch.
Just 1 inch.
Not much.
Yeah, I cannot. To my friend who's requesting to make a snowman, I can't make you a snowman. That's not,
It would take a lot of snow.
it takes a lot of snow to make a snowman, so 1 inch is not enough.
You take all the snow from the backyard,
Yeah,
make snowman.
but I think in New York, somewhere in New York,
Northeast got a lot worse.
Yeah.
Boston, New
they
York,
are like 2 feet. I
New
think.
Jersey.
Love, right? According to
Yeah,
the news.
yeah, 2 feet, I think.
Mm.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah. But with your parents, love, in Virginia, are they going to have?
No, I don't think so.
Snow?
Should be not as much as us even.
Ah, okay,
Yeah,
that's good.
It's not much.
Yeah, because they don't like snow too. Okay.
Yeah, so it should be good. Oh, it come this way. It won't come that way.
Here, love, there's a car.
We're gonna have to cross.
Snowing outside. Woo. After that,
Yeah.
careful, love, I might slide. Okay, we're done, but we are not sure if we will be qualified. So after 30 days, we might hear something from them.
Yeah.
He will call us, right?
He'll call.
Yeah. So yeah, if we are qualified, and if not, it's okay. God will provide.
Yeah. Yeah.
My husband will provide for everything. We have here actually income chart, so he gave us a free copy of this. I hope we will be qualified, so that will be a good, very, very good help, because starting March, after that appointment, we were going to have a monthly appointment. Then after trimester, lab, the trimester, we're going to have every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So
True.
yeah, prepare your pocket, love. My husband needs to prepare his pocket. Okay, we're home,
All right.
and he's going back. He will go. He still need to go to work. Jennifer gave us so many things. Okay, let's do it one by one. Wow.
Pound cake. Or something.
Yeah, we can eat this. I will give you some.
Chex Mix.
Wow.
Pita chips.
Yes, okay. Oh,
Dried fig pieces.
I think you will like this.
I like all this stuff. This is pretzel crackers.
My husband likes this stuff.
It was like
Okay.
saltine crackers.
Yeah, because the ladies at church said it's good, especially right now that I don't have appetite to eat. So, but I need to eat something so that I will not feel nausea. So I need this.
Yeah, this is like oatmeal crackers.
Whoa.
Maybe hot cocoa, popcorn, and pears. Looks like a mix of stuff.
No, it's a mango. But if actually I have
Oh, yeah,
mang-
mango. Yeah.
I have a mango there, but I really don't have appetite to eat. I just like banana right now and blueberries. Oh yeah,
Rich
and
crackers.
so many. Wow, Jennifer. Oh, she loves me so much. Look at this.
I don't know what this is.
Sweet potato.
Oh, okay. I thought so. Yeah.
This is the sweet potato. I'm planning to make a sweet potato with ginger soup. I learned that from Calvin's grandma, so I'm going to do that.
It's your favorite mayonnaise. Actually, Miracle Whip, but it's like mayonnaise.
This is for Wade.
That's for Brother Richie. We'll say that for Richie. He loves it.
This is,
Chicken of the sea, or AKA salmon.
what do you mean, that? Chicken of the sea? Really? Chicken of the
Just
sea?
did salmon.
Yeah, salmon. Salmon you can.
And then peaches,
Wow,
I think.
so many
Fruit cups.
fruits. This is what she said, fruit cups. Because she said, I'm going to give you fruit cups and then, so that you will know what you like, so that you can eat.
Vienna sausages.
Oh,
And then more salmon and chicken. And
white
then
chicken and pink salmon.
Nutri-Grain bars.
Wow, these are so many. I think I like this love. We have this last time at church.
Yeah, they're good.
Maybe this one.
Oh, the yellowfin tuna. What's this? Chunk light water and tuna. And then more chunk light water.
Wow.
Of course, ramen.
Oh, I think I will like this.
Grapefruit spread.
I'm excited to do this. Can I eat this now?
Yeah.
I think I want to eat ramen.
That's jam. And then this is
Wow.
dried cranberries.
Oh,
You keep the jar too.
yeah.
Yeah. And even a nice bag, you can recycle.
Happy birthday to you.
Someone's getting a birthday gift.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, looks like I want to eat this now.
Easy, Daisy.
This one, the ramen. I didn't eat yet, love.
I thought you said you wanted to have this. Right?
Oh, because I know you like.
Not sure what it is. Cinnamon, maybe?
Looks like. Yeah.
Experiment.
Good.
Here, I'll get a spoon.
Mm.
Just in case. Yeah, I think it's some kind of cinnamon bun type thing. It's good.
Ta-da. Social Security card. I don't know why I have a copy of this.
It's not. That's not super important.
Or just
All travel documents used to enter the United States, including passports, your I-94, Form I-94. I'll print that out.
okay. I think that
Basically,
that's
arrival,
really
departure, and basically on your passport they stamped it.
Yeah, can you
So just-
photocopy of that, love?
It's in there somewhere. Where's? Let me see.
Right.
Oh,
Guys, we're just preparing my documents for the interview. So, I have interview appointment for my green card this coming Thursday, 8 a.m. in Pittsburgh. So, that's 2 hours away from our house, right, love?
yeah.
But I don't know what I'm going to feel that day because of these morning sicknesses. So,
Pray for us.
they will watch this love so late. Yeah. So, what I mean is, we don't want to worry about that. That's why we will go there tomorrow night already and just stay on the hotel,
Yeah.
sleep at the hotel, and then yeah, because it's kind of early, 8 a.m. Anyway, I'm forcing myself to eat while my husband is helping me to prepare my things. Because I need to take prenatal vitamins. Ah, do you know, guys, that that my prenatal vitamins is also sponsored by Jennifer. like
Sponsored by Jennifer.
like everything. That's why, yeah. The good thing, my husband is crying because of that. The good thing with that is Jennifer is just 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes away from our house. So, don't have appetite to eat. Nabi, don't cry. So we're going to practice also question and answer lab.
Okay.
So I have here question, identity and background,
Question. Answer.
and then immigration history. Then the third one is relationship and marriage, how we met, what about our marriage, living together.
You go in, just go to the bathroom really quick, and then go in. You gotta go through security too.
Okay, we're here.
Okay.
We're here, guys. It's 7:44, and yeah, I will not bring
Make sure.
anything,
Okay.
but I will take a sip of water, love, and wait. I will have a candy too.
Too much.
Ooh.
Keys.
Do I look okay, love?
Yeah, you look great. You can do this. I believe in you.
We need to pray.
Yeah, Lord, pray that we do well in this interview and we pass and get our green card and everything goes well, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray.
My ginger tea. If I feel bad, I will just explain to them that I'm pregnant.
That would help, actually.
So, candy, and then I don't have any electronics.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Let's go, lab. Okay, we're going to update them, lab. Okay, the good, I'm going, yeah. The good thing there is, I feel good.
Yeah.
I feel nausea at start, but yeah, when she started to talk, maybe because I feel nervous a bit already inside. I feel better and I know, I just really relax because I'm not scared if, you know, whatever the decision is.
Yeah.
And I feel like my husband is sad.
Well, no, I'm happy. I'm just like a little confused
Yeah.
about when it's gonna happen because she wouldn't say like how long or how long it's gonna take.
You didn't ask, love.
Well, I didn't want to like be forceful, but I'm like, when are we expecting this?
Yeah.
But she didn't really say. She said you'll get something in the mail.
So,
They'll probably just mail the card in the mail, basically.
we didn't get approved, guys. But we didn't
We didn't get denied either.
get denied also.
Right.
So we didn't know yet until they will send us email or
They're gonna send some in the mail.
yeah. I think
She
they
said
will
she
do
said
lab-
no
they will-
email.
yeah.
No email.
no email.
Yeah. So I asked her
Just
this.
mail.
Just mail.
Okay. But love,
That's what she said. Don't move.
how about RFE? You think?
That'll come in the mail too if they need it.
But RFE is so late. They should do RFE
That's
before
what I
the
thought, yeah.
interview.
That's why I was kind of wondering would they say something in the interview because you know we did this all ourselves. We didn't use Rapid Visa or anything.
Yeah.
But she didn't really ask. I mean, you think she would ask there for an RFE, not like later.
Because I didn't get my we applied for a waiver for vaccine, guys.
Yeah.
And because I don't want to take it. And yeah, she asked me also today, and I have the same reason, religious belief. I'm not sure if that's the case or the reason why she didn't approve me right away. Because I saw in the interview log, they approved right away.
Sometimes. It just depends.
Okay. But no worry, I'm ready for this because I don't have any expectation with this. Actually, I'm just happy that I survived
I'm happy it's over.
the day. I survived the day. I didn't feel nausea.
That's why I was worried you were going
Yeah,
to have to be sick in there or something.
Yeah. So, the good thing there, yeah, I'm excited to eat Chick-fil-A now.
Oh, yeah.
Even if I didn't get it.
I think it's good you said that you were expecting.
Yeah.
Because I thought maybe we wouldn't bring it up or something.
I think she saw it, love.
Yeah. Well, remember when they said, do you have any children? I was like, maybe I should tell them we're expecting right then.
Yeah. You should, but yeah.
But I don't know how
I
they
think
take that.
because I make our love story like a timeline, and
Yeah.
I put there February 17. That's
I'm glad you
what
saw
we
that.
got.
Yeah.
We know that.
So, but that'll make me
I'm
think
pregnant.
I think that'll give you leniency to not have to have the vaccine because you're pregnant.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
I hope.
I think even if you're not religious, people understand that.
Yeah.
You know? That's good.
So are you ready for Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, you want to go?
Okay.
I think.
I'm planning to make a very, maybe once we got approved already, I'm planning to make a video, maybe me with my husband, to talk about how we applied for the green card and our interview experience, right, love?
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is really what happened, so we just want to share what happened. We're going to sit inside.
Yeah. You want to?
Yeah, they still have Christmas decorations.
That's weird.
Still Christmas in Chick-fil-A, Pittsburgh. We're going to Trade Love. Is it okay? I like this. All
Yeah.
the price I
So
like.
this is good.
How it looks. Oh, okay, like a Tudor in a Tudor biscuit. This is my second time in Chick-fil-A. Let me try this. If I didn't like it, I will give it to you. Ooh, this looks yummy. No, can I eat it later? You can have some, love.
Thank you.
But I like it. This is so cute. Look at that. Look at
Here.
it, mini mush, bro.
Here, let's have some.
Love, this is so yummy.
Yeah. Well, hash browns. You dip them.
I don't want it to get it. This is so cute. What is the available sauce there?
What is it?
Do you have available sauce there? There.
Oh, just ketchup. Basic ketchup.
Love, you can eat this.
You don't want it? Sure.
Huh?
Yeah. Well, how do I eat that? There you go.
Return it.
Yeah, good.
No mayonnaise. Ketchup.
They don't put anything on it.
Where's the Trader's Joe's, love?
Right up here.
I
Go
see
past
it.
this light and take your next right into the parking lot.
Oh, there. I can find it. I can see it. No.
I think we just.
Okay. Okay. Cannot. Oh, you're going to buy me flower lobe.
Roll.
$3.99.
Okay.
$3.99. It's $3.99. Picking up these are succulent. For your mama, love. What do you think?
Nice.
But you think that's expensive?
Episcopal.
Episcopal? What's Episcopal, love?
It's kind of like Catholic.
Mm.
Similar. Like Lutheran or something.
Are we still in downtown?
Yeah. It's pretty downtown.
The houses here are big.
Oh yeah. This is old town. The old part of town. I guess we could call before we get there.
The bridges. That's beautiful bridge there. Yeah, I saw that last time. There, the yellow. Pennsylvania. Is that really in Pittsburgh, love?
Yeah.
Where they have a tram that on the side of the mountain. Oh, I can see it here. You know the tram, love? That one, oh, the train, love. Can you see it? The train on the side of the mountain.
Kind of.
Like it's going up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I never taken that.
That's so popular.
Yeah.
I didn't know that it's so slow. Yeah. I thought it's fast.
Yeah, it's not very fast.
Look at that bridge. There's another yellow there. So many bridges.
A lot of bridges. This is the city of bridges.
Okay, we're going to the airport. My husband will
We're going to turn here.
bring me to the airport so that I can go back to the Philippines.
Bridge.
In half a mile, keep left to stay on I-376 West.
Left?
Yeah. Still left.
Where are we? Why it's so busy here?
It's a busy part.
Yeah, that's the yellow. I think we will go there, the Fort Pitt Tunnel. Yeah, the tunnel.
Keep left to stay on I-376 West.
Okay. We'll listen to you.
Okay.
There you are.
Continue on I-376 West for 5 miles.
Okay, so we're going back now to West Virginia. By the way, it's 2 hours from our house. That's why we left West Virginia last night after his work, and then we just slept at the hotel near the interview. What do you call that? The interview.
Interview.
Yeah.
Okay, card.
For a green card building, so that we will not rush, especially I'm having morning sickness, so yeah, it's good.
Yeah,
done. And the reason why I grabbed this opportunity also to visit the Trader's Joe, because we don't have that in West Virginia, and my husband said here in Pittsburgh that's the nearest one, love.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
There's others.
but that's the nearest, right?
Yeah.
In us. So yeah, I got the red and the white, but I cannot find the smaller. I like the small one so that you can. I want to prepare it as a gift for my younger sisters, but you cannot find the small one. Anyway, it's okay. Okay, we're done.
And we're going to Wick.
We're done in Aldi's. We're here in Morgantown because Aldi. Because of Aldi. We did some grocery so that on Saturday you will not
Saturday walnuts.
grocery. Will not do grocery. So now next we're going to Vermont. It's on the way going home. We're going to Wick. We will try to apply for what is Wick?
Women, infant children.
Women,
Or women,
infant children.
Infant children.
It's like an organization where you can apply. I don't know if we will get qualified, right? But we will
Maybe,
just try.
might not. But
We'll just try. Yeah.
So she did this from.
Okay.
I got a car wash
Or
right here.
okay. So while we are doing that, I'm going to share what we experienced in a week. So week is women, infant, and children.
Yeah.
And with my 3 interviews with this week, this is my favorite. All of them are smiling. Can I stay here inside while you're washing it?
No, we're going to drive through.
Ah, okay.
You can still do what you're doing.
You will not. You will stay, love, inside also.
Is this?
You're going to stay also inside, love.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is my first time here. I'm going to show you. He will pay for that.
Please insert your credit card in the reader below. Would you like our ultimate package? Would you like the deluxe wash package?
Oh, it will be like that. No touch, yeah, touch free.
It's just a machine.
Yeah, the machine. They check my iron,
Yeah, you're good. Did it hurt you?
and they said at least 11, but I'm 12. So that means I'm very good. I'm doing good because I'm forcing myself to take the vitamins, love, the prenatal vitamins, even if I don't like it. So yeah, and they are so nice. Even the first lady, love, right?
Yeah.
Like, okay, I can do it right away. If you have 30 minutes, I can do it right away, so that you will not have appointment, because supposedly, love, this should be appointment, but
Yeah.
we didn't get appointment. We just walk in there.
Surprised she didn't ask me more questions about about my income or something.
Yeah, about your
I
income,
just
love.
showed her a basic document. She's like, yeah, sure, that's fine. That's very strange.
Yeah, and they are very accommodating, approachable.
So I think if I qualify for that, I should qualify for Medicaid. Yeah.
Yeah, so I think we shared to you guys about Medicaid, what happened with the Medicaid.
But
Anyway, that's we have full of interviews this week. Me, especially me.
she's very famous.
I'm so famous. Just kidding.
I think they love
I'm
talking
so
to you.
tired.
They love talking to you.
Maybe they just like that, love to all mothers.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, especially the last one, right? Like, this the nutritionist.
Yeah.
But I think all of them are mothers already.
Probably, yeah.
They're all mothers.
The one, I think she's from Pittsburgh. The first lady we talked to, the older lady, she kept saying yins. That's what people in Pittsburgh say. Now when yins do this.
Love, he said you're like his brother.
Yeah, she thought I was from here.
Greg. You're
I
like
wanted to
my
ask
brother.
her, I was like,
Greg.
are you from Pittsburgh? And she's the only person I've ever heard say that.
Love, when he said 1980, when you
Yeah.
when you
Yeah, I heard it in 1980. Like,
love, when you told your birthday, when
Yeah.
you what
she
said.
thought I was way older. She's you're just a baby.
Yeah, you're still young, not a baby.
I'm 42.
It will start now, guys. Can I take a video of this, right?
Hurry up.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I just like to watch the wheels.
Uh-huh.
And then this is the big one.
The washing. Okay. Prepare yourself, love. Is it locked, love?
Yeah.
Okay, we can vlog here while doing this. But I can smell the
Soap.
yeah, the soap. Oh wow, that's
car
good.
soap.
I want to show you guys. There. Oh, it's moving. How long it will take, love?
Like 5 minutes.
Whoa! 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 Yeah. So we're cleaning, washing, polishing. Oh, we're done. Air drying. Thank you.
Yeah, it looks better. It's cleaner.
Okay, we're done. Thank you. That's it. So it's just
Be careful leaving.
I didn't know that we have that here. You think I can share to them about the Week Club? Because I think that's also every state has that love, right? But mine, since I'm here from West Virginia, I can only use my Week card that benefits here within West Virginia, right? According
Yeah,
to
just
her.
here. Yeah, you can't go out of state.
It's actually good, guys, because you're going to have a free food, free what do you call that, free program
Yeah.
advices,
Right.
classes. Like I'm going to have a breastfeeding class, love. Are you going? And then you're going to
So I
go
guess-
with me. You're going-
Yeah, I thought they were just going to do the one from home, but I guess they really want you to show up.
yeah, I think it's better, love, to show up so that
Do we
because
have
I'm
to do it, or maybe we have to do it to get the wig? I don't know.
because it's my first time. I really want to learn, love.
Oh yeah, no, it's good.
August, September, October.
It's okay.
August, September, October. That's perfect, love. 3 months before, like 2.5 months before I gave birth. And once I learn more about Week, yeah, how to use it properly, I'm going to share here on my YouTube channel. Oh, that's good. Louie!
You scare very easily.
Yeah, you need to give a warning, love.
This is the windshield wiper. What if an actual like gangster came and tried to attack you? What would you do?
I will just do. Yan. It's not painful. She's very actually the one who take my blood, love. I thought you're going to pass out because you.
I was worried about that. It would be painful for you.
No, it's not. It's not.
Okay.
I didn't feel it
They're very
actually.
nice. Yeah. That's good. We get a lot of free food.
Yeah.
That would help. I think it says something like $47 worth or something
Oh yeah, that's a
per
very good.
fruits and vegetables.
Okay, guys. Bye. I'm tired now.
That'll help our budget.
It's a long day, but it's just 2:28 p.m. But it's a long day
And
already.
there's SNAP, like that's EBT. That's if you don't have income.
So we're not
We're
qualified
not-
with that.
We'd have to have like no income or something, or very very little.
Mm,
Like basically be on welfare.
Okay.
But we're not on welfare.